Hello, my name is Nancy Osazua.
Hey, my name is Agnes Shuku. We are from Harmony Science Academy High, and today we'll be presenting the Papa Dropper.
Yes, let's do this.
Wait, Nancy, safety first.
Okay.
Safety is always important at Harmony Science Academy High.
Now let's do this. Ready, set, go. No, come on.
Ready, set, go.
See how cool that is? It just
Yes,
bounced
so cool.
high. Ready, set, go. Woo! Come on, Agnes, try again.
Ready?
Set, go.
Wait, Nancy, how is this working?
We should tell them how it works, shouldn't we?
We should.
Let's let them in on our little secret.
Okay.
When held above the ground, the Papa Dropper has gravitational potential energy and elastic potential energy.
The gravitational potential energy is then converted to linear kinetic energy.
When a Papa Dropper hits a smooth surface, the elastic potential energy is released and extra kinetic energy is left,
Which causes the Papa Dropper to bounce higher than the average ball.
What an interesting fact.
What is that?
This relates to the creation of a supernova, in which they both use the conservation of energy and momentum.
Wow, that's really interesting.
I know you didn't know that, did you?
I didn't know that at all.
Okay, let's try it one more time. It's
All
really
right.
cool.
Thank you for watching Harmony School High.
Thank you and goodbye.
Bye.